Peck is thinking of something else that can roll.
Cars?
Sure! Let's open the garage. The green key is for the green door. Here you go, a car. Hop Hop's tower is almost ready.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
It's all set. Uh-oh, not enough speed.
Oh!
Hop has an idea. What are you looking for, Hop?
Oh!
Aha! It's a car launcher for better speed.
Try it out.
Let's connect the parts. Pull the launcher back. Place the car at the starting line. Go! It worked!